Okay, this is Ed CNC Dude here. I'm just going to work on a simple lathe part here. Some of the Autodesk tutorials aren't current, so this is, I think, a little bit more current. This is a reverse engineering job we had to do, and I'm actually going to update per print. So I'm going to go in and change the design. I call this version B. I'm back in design now. Okay. Let me close this up. And stop for a minute. Okay, I gotta change the diameter of this ring. No, I'm sorry. This right here. Let me shut the body off. Alright, so it's not that, it's this one here. Alright, let's see, it's edit sketch 660. Okay, this one we want to make this 0.667. Alright, finish sketch and turn the body back on, so this should be inspect, measure, and that diameter. No, I'm sorry. Oops, wrong one. That one. Spec measure 667. Okay. And we want to change the length of this. So that I think is on an extrusion. Let's see which one does what. I think that was this one here. I'm going to edit the feature. 464, that's what I have on the blueprint. And we want to shrink this up to 0.460. Hit OK. Alright, then we want to extend this part down here. Let's see, which one is that one? That's this one, and the little highlighter right there. I'm going to edit that feature. 650, so we want to go minus 0.65 plus negative 0.5. Alright. Okay. File save, okay, and let's see, top view, home view, front view, right? Let's make an updated drawing, new drawing from design, using our templates. I'll use template B, hit OK. Okay. I really like Fusion's drawing. Alright, I'm going to scale these up. I actually have it so it loads in my 4 views automatically. I'm going to change the scale of this so 1 to 2. Is that the right? No, that's the wrong way. I'm going to go 2 to 1. Okay. Round parts don't really need a 3-view print. Let's get rid of that one, okay? Maybe I'll just slide this over here. Yeah, maybe no, I'll stick it over there. And I'll move this like up here. Bring this over a little bit. Yeah, right about there. Okay. Let me put some numbers on this. I'm going to put some diameter numbers. I want this one. I want this one. Still correct. This one here now is 667, and the through hole is 375. And total length from here to here 1.714. We got 710. We'll live with that. And from here to there, 460. Yep, we're updated there. I think I'm going to, I'm just going to hit enter. I think I'm going to edit view. And I'll make this 1-to-1. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And move this over. And move this over just a smidge. Okay. What else do I have here? I have a note. Right there. Cancel. Undo. Move this. Oops. Close. Move that up. I'll actually move this down. Okay, gonna add another one from here to here. Enter. Oh, let me escape out of that. Move this over here, it's a little clearer. Move this over there. And what else? Oh, a note here, it says 0.01 times 45 degrees. With a little space right there. Enter. Oops. I guess you don't need enter. Close. Okay. And is there anything else I need on here? I don't think so. Oh, I wanted to put a tolerance on this. That would be a note. I want a note. Special note right here. Well, actually, doesn't Fusion have some insert surface texture feature control frame? No. Dimensions. Geometry. Hole and thread note. No. Alright, I'm going to go back to plus 0.000. Oops. Plus 0.000. Minus 0.001. Oops. Didn't get the minus correct. Alright. That's in reference to this. A little bit too close. There we go. My drafting instructor would be impressed. Alright, I'm going to save this file. Save. And where am I using it? Show projects 2021 KR pulley. Save. Okay. I'll leave this here. I'm going to test. No, I'll let them do that. I'm going to see if they can update. Bail out of this one, and now we'll go back to manufacture. So that'll be next video.